untroubled mind I left behind, my blue-eyed mountain queen. Farewell to Glenflesk's lofty hills, and to those mountain streams where sun or moon ride through the gloom, pours forth its brilliant beams. Her castle stands beneath the hill, bound round with laurels green. But in America's plain I'll spend my days with my blue-eyed mountain queen. My father is a fisherman. He's on the raging sea. My mother, she through 7 long years sleeps cold beneath the clay. My sister and my brothers 4, I regard them with esteem, but little they know I weep full sore, my blue-eyed mountain queen. Godspeed the ship across the deep that steers my love to me. The wind to fill her topsail white, to waft her o'er the sea. Her steel-made bow has made a vow for to plough the waves between, and on her breast to bear the crest, my blue-eyed mountain queen.